Hello, here's SWC team, and you are watching a video digest in which we share the most important events in the history of string transport and SWC over the past weeks. In this release, UST technology was presented at the leading higher education institution of Belarus. New episode of 12 Sky podcast. UST Incorporated engineers set out to improve the running characteristics of uLite. Let's not waste time and get straight to the first event. UST Incorporated Media Center said the company held classes on UST transport at the Belarusian State University. The lecturers were Alexei Klimkov, the head of research department of UST Incorporated, and Viktor Garanin, scientific secretary of the company. 12 Sky podcast, a conversation about the blocks that keep us from reaching our goals easily and quickly. The guest of this episode is neo-psychologist Snezhana Tan. She will reveal the secrets of working with inner limitations. UST Incorporated is continuing to test the uLite transport infrastructure complex. As a reminder, at this stage it is commissioned as a freight transport system. A number of activities are underway to change its designation to Cargo Passenger 1. All works are being carried out in a planned mode. The specialists of the company are now designing the installation of side wheels for the rail electric vehicle. That was the main news for today. Please do put your likes and leave your comments for this release. See you later.